Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Savira Dwi Cahya, and in this video I will explain about phonetics, the sound of language, and phoneme. So, phonetics refers to the study of human speech sound. It primarily deals with how speech sounds are produced by means of human speech organs, while phoneme refers to the smallest element of sound in a language, the name given to the symbols representing the sound. The word cat, for example, has three phonemes. Cat. Phonetics is divided into three parts: articulatory phonetics, auditory phonetics, and acoustic phonetics. Articulatory phonetics is the study of how speech sounds are made or articulate. The sounds are made by using speech organs like lips, nose, teeth, nasal cavity, tongue, heart, palate, lung, larynx, and many others. And auditory phonetics is the study of human perceive the speech sounds by human ear or recognized by the brain. And acoustic phonetics is the study of physical properties of speech sounds, the air, wave, frequency of which sounds consist. And there are voice and voiceless. Voiceless is when the vocal folds are spread apart, the air from the lungs passes between them unimpeded. The example sounds this. Voice is when the vocal folds are drawn together, the air from the lungs repeatedly pushes them apart as it passes through, creating a vibration effect. The example sounds like this. And air and sounds. Sounds is a short form of sound waves, which are all about the vibration of the air. When something causes the air to vibrate, sounds are made. In the other words, when we speak, we are causing the air to vibrate in the form of sound waves. The air itself comes from the lungs and from the air that we push out through our speech organs. These organs are all in or around our oral and nasal cavity. The APA and sounds in English. APA is International Phonetic Alphabet. It's very consistent in representing the speech sounds on the principle of one symbol, one sound. One sound, one symbol. And the last one is English phonemes. The whole set of English phonemes is divided into 24 consonants, 12 vowels, and 8 diphthongs. So consonant is sound that is produced by blocking the air stream from flowing out easily through the mouth, while vowels is when certain other sounds are produced such that there is no blocking of airstream in the mouth. And diphthongs in the pronunciation of some words, two vowels combine together to form a single sound. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.